Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, today we are trying out the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Liquid Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you are a newcomer to my channel and you haven't subscribed to it yet, please go ahead and just hit the subscribe button down below along with that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload those videos. I do uploads on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays for you. So if you want to see my thoughts on the Flower Beauty Foundation, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I am trying out the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Liquid Foundation. I've heard some pretty good things about this, so I wanted to put it to the test for you guys. And we're going to see how that wears throughout the day. Let's get a little housekeeping out of the way before we get started though. So if you have not taken a moment to subscribe to my channel yet, please just hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way you're going to be notified by YouTube when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Now you want to make sure you subscribe as well because I actually have a whole bin over there of Flower Beauty products and I'm going to be filming a Get Ready With Me doing a full face of their makeup, and that's going to be up on Saturday for you to watch as well. So if you want to see my thoughts on the foundation, just keep watching. Hi guys, as I mentioned, we are going to be using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Liquid Foundation today. But before we get started on the video, I just want to say thank you guys for hanging in with me while I was kind of absent from being in front of the camera for the last week. I'll kind of catch up if you haven't watched my previous videos, but on Friday the 13th, I broke a blood vessel in my left eye, and I have no clue how I did it. I just literally looked in the mirror and went, what's going on? I started screaming for my husband, and it wasn't just a little one. I mean, it was massive. It started out all the way from the top around my pupil all the way down to the bottom, and then as the days went by, it just gradually grew. It was such a deep dark red, it almost looked black in my eyes. So it really wasn't attractive looking. I just didn't want to get in front of the camera with you guys and have anybody kind of grossed out by it. So that's why last week I was filming from behind the camera. I've also heard from some people that I'm still having audio problems. That's because last week I was filming out in my dining room and with no walls for the sound to bounce off of. It was really hard to get a steady volume going. So that's what's going on there. The other recap is last Friday the 20th. I'm actually filming this on Monday the 22nd, 23rd. I had knee surgery. So here's how my week went last week. It was kind of a crazy week. I knew I had a torn meniscus in my knee, so my doctor sent me to go see an orthopedic surgeon last Monday. I went in his office, he said, you're having surgery. They called me later that afternoon and said, you're having Thursday this Friday. Can you come in tomorrow because you're going to have your pre-op appointment? So I go rushing in the next day. I have my pre-op appointment. That gives me then, because it's now late in the afternoon on Tuesday, I have Wednesday and Thursday to pre-film some videos, get my housework all caught up, get my grocery shopping all caught up, run any other errands I need to be able to run around and get done. And then get everything lined up with my mom and having somebody here to watch her and all that. So I was just running around and stressing and editing videos and still trying to get them out and trying to answer any questions that I got on my video. So anyway, last week was just a crazy week. I had my surgery. Instead of repairing it, he just removed the damaged portion. So that makes my recovery time a lot quicker. I'm still on crutches and I'm actually able to use just one crutch now, so I'm supposed to try and put more and more weight on it. And Saturday was a horrible, horrible day, but after that, it's gotten a lot better. So anyway, thank you guys for your well wishes and the prayers. I really appreciate that. All right, let's get down to the star of the show, which is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Liquid Foundation. This comes in 12 shades. You get 1.01 fluid ounces in it. It's available at either Ulta or you can also purchase it at Walmart. I'll have links down below if you wanted to go ahead and buy this or just learn more about it. You can go ahead and check on that. Details on it. I'm going to read this to you because this is what they say about the product. Flower Beauty's Light Illusion Liquid Foundation is the perfecting veil of buildable coverage. Light Illusion is a breakthrough foundation that achieves the impossible, provides you with the coverage you desire to smooth and perfect while imparting your skin with the most flattering, soft luminosity available. All with a weightless nude skin feel, imperfections and uneven skin tone are diminished. Only a flawless, smooth, and incredibly natural complexion is revealed, and it's available in 12 perfecting shades. So that is a lot to the claim. So as always, I've gone in and I prepped my skin. So I have on all of my lotions and serums. I've got on my primers, and then I've gone in and I have color corrected under my eyes. So it does not say anything on that I was able to find if they recommend a sponge or a brush. So I'm going to do one half of my face with a, actually their sponge. So I have heard Kara from Kara's Corner talk about this sponge and how much she absolutely loves it. So I decided to go ahead and pick that up as well. And I'm going to be comparing it. Actually, I'm going to be doing a video pretty soon on a whole bunch of different sponges because I've been collecting them. So this will be part of that as well. So anyway, I wanted to try this out and see if it's everything that Kara says it is. So we'll be using that. And then on the other side of my face, I will use my Morphe Y6 Flat Top Kabuki brush. So let's get started. I have gone ahead, as you can see, and I have used this. I just wanted to make sure that I was getting the right shade. So I'm going to go ahead and pump some out. And that's kind of the consistency of it. I'll show that to you there. By the way, ignore the bruises on my hands. She kind of missed the veins when she was going in to do my IVs. So I'm going to do the sponge on this side. Okay, the sponge is a lot squishier than, well, not a lot, but I can tell it's squishier than the L'Oreal one that I like. And if you haven't watched my videos before, my skin type is normal. It can be a little dry at times. And then I get a little bit of oiliness in my T-zone, but that's normally not till like hours 8 through 10. So I don't have to really worry about oiliness at all. Okay, so there is one layer going in with the sponge. Now let's move on to the brush side. And by the way, that was 2 pumps just to do that half of my face. It does feel very lightweight, I can tell you that much. And if you've watched my videos before, you know I love a full coverage foundation. I hate things that I feel on my face. I don't like to feel like I'm wearing anything. So this is the brush side, and you can definitely see the luminosity coming off of this. But when you look up close, okay, I am seeing a lot of my discolorations, freckles coming through, more so on the sponge side than the brush. I think the brush gave a lot better coverage. Let me smooth it out with the sponge. And it's already creasing really bad right in there. Okay, I'm going to go in with a second layer just in the areas that needs a little bit more coverage. I think what I'm going to do is use the brush to tap it in and then the sponge to go ahead and smooth it out. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take the sponge and I'm just going to tap that all over. I don't have any additional product on it. I just want to smooth everything out. And I do have on a primer that reduces the pores, which isn't working all that well with this foundation. I am really seeing my pores pop through. And around my nose. Ooh. It's just not blending in very good. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. First, I'm going to go outside and get some daylight shots so you can see close up how this is looking. And then I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and my makeup is all done. So let me give you my final thoughts on this foundation. It's okay. It's nothing that I find I'm going to be reaching for. It did not give me the full coverage that I like. So even going in with 2 layers, I am seeing a lot of my blemishes and things just pop right through. It is creasing still pretty bad in my marionette lines. It's not so bad on the forehead, but it was very blotchy. And even after I quit filming earlier, I found I had to go in and just keep touching up certain areas. I did set it, and if my face looks a little weird, I did 1/2 with their satin powder and 1/2 with their matte powder. So you'll be seeing that video if you watch it on Saturday where I did the full face. So if you want to see this look, make sure you subscribe so you see it on Saturday's video. I just don't care for the coverage. Don't know that I like it. I'm going to leave more details down below in the description box, so I'll let you know how it lasted throughout the rest of the day. I will tell you one thing, do not get this setting spray. I'm going to insert some close-ups of some pictures, but this left little white specks literally all over my face. It looks like somebody went in with just a paintbrush that had white paint and then just kind of splattered it on me, so it's like all over. So don't get the setting spray. It didn't help at all. Anyway, thanks you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it the old thumbs up, because that way I know you enjoy these types of videos, and it also helps me out with YouTube as well. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just want to say hi, feel free to leave those down below in the comment box. And until next time, you guys, as always, I love you, and bye-bye.